New Orleans' vibrant architecture and subtropical climate make window replacement more than just a design decision, it's a practical necessity. The city's high humidity, frequent rains, and sweltering summers can wreak havoc on poorly chosen materials. If you're considering replacing your windows in New Orleans, selecting the right materials is essential to ensure durability, energy efficiency, and long-term performance. Here's a guide to the best window materials suited for the city's humid environment. Why climate matters in window material selection. Humidity and moisture can deteriorate some materials faster than others, especially when exposed to prolonged damp conditions. In a city like New Orleans, where humidity often exceeds 75%, materials that resist swelling, warping, and mold growth are crucial. In addition to battling moisture, homeowners must consider the thermal performance of their windows, both to keep cooling costs low and reduce indoor condensation. Top window frame materials for humid climates. Vinyl windows. Vinyl is one of the most popular window materials for homes in humid areas like New Orleans. Made from PVC, polyvinyl chloride, vinyl windows are moisture resistant. They don't swell, warp, or rot, even when exposed to high humidity and rain. Low maintenance. No need for regular painting or staining, which is ideal in a climate where exterior maintenance can become a chore. Energy efficient. Vinyl frames can be filled with insulating foam to improve energy efficiency, helping your home stay cooler in the summer heat. Vinyl is also cost-effective, making it a great choice for budget-conscious homeowners without compromising quality. Fiberglass windows. Fiberglass windows are incredibly strong and perform exceptionally well in humid conditions. These windows are highly durable. Fiberglass resists warping, swelling, and cracking even under extreme temperature fluctuations. Energy efficient. The material has low thermal conductivity, helping reduce heat transfer. Environmentally friendly. Many fiberglass windows are made from recycled materials. Although fiberglass windows may come at a higher initial cost, they offer long-term savings in energy efficiency and maintenance. Aluminum-clad wood windows. Wood windows offer timeless beauty and excellent insulation, but traditional wood is vulnerable to moisture. Aluminum-clad wood windows solve this issue by encasing the exterior of the wood in durable aluminum, offering protection from elements. The aluminum exterior shields the wood from moisture, while the interior maintains the natural wood look. Enhanced lifespan. These windows can last for decades with minimal upkeep. Customization. A variety of colors, stains, and styles are available to suit historic or modern New Orleans architecture. They're ideal for homeowners who want a classic look without sacrificing protection from the weather. Best glass options for humidity and heat. Equally important as the frame is the type of glass you choose. For humid climates like New Orleans, consider double or triple pane glass. These reduce heat transfer and minimize condensation. Low emissivity coatings. They reflect heat away in the summer and retain warmth in the winter, reducing energy bills. Argon or krypton gas fills. These gases between the panes offer superior insulation over air-filled options. Combining the right frame and glass options ensures your windows can withstand humidity while enhancing energy performance. Final thoughts. Smart choices for long-term comfort. Investing in window materials that are specifically suited for New Orleans climate pays off in both comfort and cost savings. Vinyl and fiberglass windows lead the pack for moisture resistance and low maintenance, while aluminum-clad wood offers a balance of tradition and performance. Don't overlook the importance of high-performance glass to improve insulation and minimize condensation. By choosing the right materials for your window replacement, you're not just upgrading your home's appearance, you're protecting it from the elements and ensuring it stays cool, dry, and energy efficient for years to come.